This is how you add volumetric light rays inside After Effects. Got my clip on the timeline of the ballerina. Gonna go to the effects and presets and type in light rays. Apply that to the clip. Then we get this sort of like lens flare, but if you see, if we click and drag the center, the rays are gonna be moving in sort of this like volumetric 3D space, which is really cool. So what I'm gonna do is go to frame 1, and I'm just gonna click and drag the center like this. I'm going to make a keyframe, and then I'm going to go to the end of the clip, and whichever way the camera's moving, I'm going to go the opposite way. So the camera's going from left to right, so I'm going to move the light ray from right to left. So it's going to end about here. And we can also increase the intensity a bit, depending on how strong you want the effect. And I'm also just going to add a curves on it as well, just so we get a bit more contrast. Raise the mids a tiny bit and just pull down those shadows. Then it feels a bit more like the light is blinding the camera a bit. And voila, there we have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, then subscribe to Astrella for daily After Effects.